nomenclature Bishingo under the able leadership of His Royal Highness Maharaja Pradip Vikram Kishore Maniko Da Burma. Sini existente survival Moga Sini Motu Daitini themes. Gabun Bagai Tinibai Tirutri Himinai First Annual Conference, Second Annual Conference, the Third Annual Conference in Tini. Very successful, very well-mannered. Sing more conference no sing kaisa momentum kanya digi sing thangtong. Tebo tong tomani kokka bobugra soyang fainai. Nor no belai kena honors. Nor no belai kena dignifiedly. Bo mia faino no program no. একটা হিস্টোরিক তাই মোমেন্টাম খাইনেন বাগিনে ফাইনাই নংনি যে হামজাকমা নংনি যে রেসপেক্ট নব অনার হইনাই স্বয়ং বা ফিজিক্যালি ফাইনাই ম প্রোগ্রাম ন ম কনফারেন্স ন ফাই ইনোগ্রেশন খাইমেন বাগে তিনি অর কক সাথে কবন নরক খুব ফার্ম তাই committed Sini Borokni all round development in Bagine. Kubui Norokni Bivino employee Bishingo Onek Bada Bigno Tongoni Bishinti Fano Dofani Mo existent as Harbel in Bagine. Norok Saimano, Kormosarukni, Blaikano, Moti Samon Kanene Kokutu. Apart from that, Norok courage, bold, come by compromise Klaya, Dofani Humphrey in Baginai, Dofani existing survival in Baginai, O mentality, O spirit Tongoni Baginai, Norok Tini. Bobugrani imang, Tiprasani imang, Ninani imang no. Reality wo tumnan baginay. Norok tini bihig busa no kukibine mo conference of hai. Ang bagin norok nang jotono salute tag lumungya paro. Kadani tagunok Kormasari ekta community ni, ekta society ni bora intelligentsia group. Born participation in the social movement, in democratic setup, black and high. Borok je kono society ni community ni, my employee community rok, borok lama puluk nai, borok disaru nai. Awan bagai sini Tiprasan existence survival law. Noro kya bole say komia. We cannot compare to gold, silver, diamond. Nor ni dignity, nor ni commitment, nor ni rules beyond that. Awan bagai norok no. Black and Mozoroka Kahamtai Chobani Sibayapri, and the Cock Samani, Sung Joti Jotisto, Sini Boroni Baginai, struggle like Sung Simano, Norok Zebabe, Suaman, along with the support, Sino Momento, first 2021. General election to TDIDC. Not a huge contribution. Our black, helpful, black, what like that. Our Bishingano, Bobogan leadership of TDIDC power of Haimon. Yabakramana. Right. Not only last ADC general election. Thereafter, another election, that is state legislative election. And that time also, you have given your idea, not only idea, also have huge fund and monitoring help. Abo sung bawin maya. Tan bagi nation building bagi. Maharaja riya. Maharaja sao. Nori hamzak mas sini nango. Actually that monitoring help. Indeed. Abona sanatha gabul laugh. Hamzak man bishingi aw payo. Allah sini boroni bagine onek kisu samungo subao, movement subao. Our begin now is a contribution. Ababasang tini Saimano, the second largest regional political party, one of the important political party after last assembly election. We had 13 members out of 60. We set up 42 candidates in the last assembly election, out of which we owned 13 MLA. Today we can claim proudly we are the second largest political party of the Tripura state. This credit also partly goes to the TEF. Cousin Thakur Okonebagai, Lok Sabha election. Tabuni Sasok Dol, Sobka Sak Sobka Vikas. Sudu Kok. Tripura Sani Somost fundamental rights, constitutional rights, and voting rights. Sini grassroots level of election Khanen Baginai. Every 5 years, election Khanen now. Local body election kari, that means local body government kari sini. Bahake develop nahi. Ke sabka sab sabka vikas kok samane biang thanga. False promised. অথচ বড় কক্স Tripura Sani হামপ্রাই Tripura Sani অনেক কিছু ব্যাপার আর দল সামন কাহমন সাইমন जों नेम नाने सबका विकास पूरा सुने विनाश खाने दिखे थांतो जार जोने विलेज कमिटी इलेक्शन खाया बन बगे बुबोगा हाई कोर्ट आबुन बगे केस फाइल मार्क लेके India ने कोनो political instance करो जे कोनो राज्य हो महाई local body government every 5 years mandatory to conduct the election অথচ ত্রিপুরা जो ADC नि father election दो 3 tier पंचायत लोकसभा हो assembly हो by election हो তাহলে সি ত্রিপুরা সরকার বগে খাইলে election totally sabotage, exploitation, deprivation, ill intention. তারপরে সিন বড় খাসিয়া তা তো বাক্সা আবদল বিজেপি খাইতো চ্যালেঞ্জ খাইলে বুবুগা হাইকোর্টনি ভার্ডিক্ট জাজমেন্ট চ্যালেঞ্জ খাই সুপ্রিম কোর্ট থামো সুপ্রিম কোর্ট থাঙ্গি 11 of this month 2 bands Supreme Court direction rakha simultaneously election makhainai in due course of time the present ADC ni term tongo 18 April awon bishingon election makhainai 26 tarikho date marna election commission ta state government thaka tarpore o gachiya onek kisu kok saito khade neta koro ei je bubogra ni real commitment sini boron baginai আবলব মেনটেন খাইতঙ্গ দেশনি সর্বোচ্চ আদালত সুপ্রিম কোর্ট থাঙ্গিনে Tripura Sani জাস্টিস Tripura Sani রাইটস এ বাগি ফাইট খাইতো they came agree none of the leaders except Maharaja is always stand with us and fighting for our cause for our existence and survival none of the leaders cutting across political lines, political spectrum, caste and religions. The man is Maharaja Pradubikram Kishore Manika Daparma. Our cousin Takuro. It presents political era. Sinitaita option to. Table Panga, table well organized Kainai, TF not table strong Kainai, City Prasani rights in Mogina. Or smile or supports in the more third annual conference of Manane. This is the right time to take decision. Obodong Tanane appeal tini mozaga. Sintake as a program tongo. Onek speech ribbon tini sanan thane sing time lost as a honorable Liam Botangai. Beforehand, honorable spokesperson. Sinisike Baubai and Motane Bugrawe, Klapangene, Boromura Bon Borbu, the series of program Tini. Kama program Tini. Boromura and Porathana, Ompi Omin Pora Omurpur, Hottest program. Like O Masabo, Jakana Hor, Jakana Aronto, O Samo Horne, Duda Sokoyo, Turani Tamu Kimil Sing Borone Bagani. Unbuggy sing Sudo, Dinis no sing. Mark Hibinai. At an uncalled for, unwarranted situation, TF ni Thaliwa or Bebongsu. First, second, third conference canonicism, time, modism, climalia. This is created by us, by whom? Since Saksa create clemency. It is situation that also opposite Kaimani TF no. But very intellectual group. Abo Hazanosing, harder creation at the Bobogra not just long body to recover. Norok Sini response Noruka, Norok Abu Pavika, very positive spirit of Tinimo, Haike, more conference Hatasan and Koge. All a positive, good. Sinta, Norok Amun Bagitinis and Mom third conference in the Sing Kavuya. But simply Maharaja warriors, Honorable Liam Education, Honorable Spokesperson Sikar Babu, both recently said, no, exactly, you know, Babu, I know, IS officer, the first IS officer among the Jamatia community. Bono Yamato. Unwavering. Tinibo, Sungmai Logaritomo. Abohai Kamamato, directly politics of Haikamo. IS officer, he is the first who joined politics directly and joining hands with Maharaja, who is none other than Shige Babu, Shige Jamatia. Right? Anta Balkok Sayanavana. It's true. But Kamato, Borok indirectly, so Borok Monavas salute Hambairo. Amun bagai sing orang kok sate gawono. Tini whole committee sing handor or two panels sing list manka. All accepted, but kisuk time nanai they do acted din. Pore bogra buku usagangot thanga dima hasa unor nukana. Bobo tuya saya usida oro bisagam sebatong show. However, Bobogra approved or two lists in the single and just is announced with kind permission of the two distinguished leaders in charge, Honorable EM Education and Honorable Spokesperson Sikya Jamate. Just and read out Kene, after all accepted, but those who are inactive, Abona Sumulo, Norway Cox Halavino, inactive Sinkaka bonus in Tony Bay Aheda. Totally inactive, Kam Kane Musumi Anke, monoparts. Atom swipe. Applique Bobogra, after the Tini Koyakan attend Kalifano, and certain Dizano, Jetu long the active or was your boom well known, Bonibum Tonga or Liso, it put a borrow inactive Hanke. Then Bono honor Usum, with the past work, past contribution. I was in charge of honor, Bobogra honor. Borakadi, after declaration of the list and committee, if personally they are not interested to work for the upliftment for this, the better interest of the TF and the employee communities as a whole. On that issue, Sengborn Ibungno list ni out kemana. But all the list, the listed borok, the Sunos Hamid Kekanong into the list, accepted all. Baksa Advisor Board, Baksa Executive Central Executive Committee. But tini only few list normally out can I more conference. What about in next round of discussion within 7 days of this conference? We'll sit again with the newly nominated and appointed president and other executive members by the founder of the Pramota and His Royal Highness Maharaja Pradip Vikram Kishore Manikya Devarma. Very soon we will release that list also be published. Gabon bagi khazan takrok ang dabuk non thane the list no kisa read out khai langai. The party founder of the Pramota has assigned us as in charge of TF to finalize the Central Executive Committee CEC list. The proposed members are President Mo declarations Gangnon Sanamusungo, Unity Singh, tenure 2-3 years, further Boris Hamkaham Bote Khani Nimusinga, Aboni Porano table, discipline manner, the Tabung uncalled for situation, or say, oh, special circumstances in charge. But we hope in later, but next conference or table, well, the good situation no conference no bus kangotal no conference ni bising ti no sangoton no table clarize kene takle ni o issue simile sento phayo anbage jor to cohesive unitedly work ma kene only once kaisa imang ti ne sini jata sing je imang ti sing dau chabaw na korito awon bage 2 years thereafter somebody will take the search application jotono nijini bisingo jotono acceptance acceptability sing bilap makene abotono jotono efficient and eligible experience abosong saimono but sometimes sing in special invitation kayo situation apti janong yate jata tabuk ngi tongone hai abo almost come to conference recently abo pai thangsene abo resolve thangsene then ang tabuk president jata bubuk ra approve khaimani abo no ang read out kene president post Mrs. Odita Tripura, vice president Sanjeev Devarma, vice president Pulendra Devarma, Vice President Tinku Jamatia, Vice President Sanmoni Rian. These are the Vice President. It can be expanded. Ulol bari mano apto to tobo ozo ratino bubogra sawo ar mohe ki pus rogo kisa normi bai or korik borok bo sai sumeka kisa kom khalken so agi to pa there are very mane long list vice president no GS rogo ngabo samtang to yang thango o buiro kubang naila muya chala kubang phal phakli sogi amani kong rogo kasai thanglo yusin anyway General Secretary Sito Devarma, General Secretary Onimesh Jamatia, Assistant General Secretary Sanjoy Devarma, Mandai, Topon Sangma, Nepal Tila, Bonagir Devarma Ampura, Don Koloy, Takarjula, Sachin Devarma Bisramgonjo, Subimol Rian, Santir Bazar, Prajo San Rupini Rachabari. Ango Opu Kuzar Kicha Pafika House, the senior Hamke Jotonano, Sinipa Siniata. Samjoy Babu. Gamonka Vice President I Ejiazura. Okay. Advisor Board Dilip Daporma. Madan Daporma. Sri Kumar Daporma. Sudanda Daporma. Monoji Drian. Sukuram Daporma. Moke Advisor Board. Take us our Pythagoras Hana College at Saithanka. The rest of the Central Executive Committee members of DEF will be nominated later on. Or Bobo Grand Socho will be nominated later on. Mane? Norway Cox Salino, Hazak Pinay. This list has been finally approved by the party founder, His Royal Highness Maharaja Pradip Vikram Kishore Maneko Daporma, signature of the party founder, and signature of the in charge of TF conference, and permission of the Central Executive Committee of TF 2026, Rabindra Daporma, Rajeshwar Daporma Chandra Kumar Jamatia. Jotono mono approved theke, Jotono, Bograni, Cox, Ingesinto, Jotono, Tuluya Pormakarme. This is the sign of unity. This is the real unity. That's Singabu Bograno, Puluito. Jotono, Tewaisha Monosin, Ekdom Goronke Yamukroboi, except final and act as in Chaksak Joda. Wow, good. The next meeting of Cox Saladi, Antek Kamang Cox Salaya, and I would like to request the joint convener of this conference and formally General Secretary Shondit Daporma to lay the constitution of TF, and that constitution will be forwarded to the party chief, the founder of the Pramota, for his assign and final approval for the publication. Thank you all. Hambai Kurumka.